Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to lock the camera focus can be helpful in situations where you want to maintain a consistent focus on a specific subject or scene. This feature ensures that the camera doesn't refocus automatically, which can be especially useful in scenarios with moving subject or changing lighting conditions. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open camera app on your device. So the way to lock the focus with a specific object, you can press on the object like this till this icon appear. Not only that, you can also adjust the brightness by swiping the slider. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.